Hi everyone, I own many sleeping machines and my Dohm Uno is one of my favorite, and the first thing that caught my eye was the simplistic yet elegant design. Comes with a 6-foot 120 volt AC plug power. Be sure to watch the video until the end and you will hear a full demo of the device. The operation couldn't be simpler. Flip the switch on and as you rotate the color, the white noise comes alive, easily adjustable to your preferred volume and tone. It's an intuitive way to personalize your sound environment without getting bogged down by numerous settings and buttons, like some sleeping machine can be very cumbersome. I love it, I take it with me everywhere, but without further ado, let's listen to the sound and what it produces. Hope this demo was helpful. I would highly recommend this machine. This is a great one, and as I said, I own many and this is one of my favorites. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful.